right, so we're going to go ahead and do a how to draw a cube with 1 point perspective. So the first thing you're going to do is draw lightly. You're going to draw a horizon line from one side of your paper to the other side. Doesn't matter exactly where. This line is called the horizon line, and it's not going to stay in your work, so you're kind of going to erase it later. Then somewhere on the line, you're going to draw a black dot. And this is going to be your vanishing point. It's an imaginary point. It's on the horizon line. It's directly in front of the viewer's eyes, okay? So then you're going to draw a square or rectangle somewhere underneath this horizon line. Lightly draw lines from all four corners of the rectangle to the vanishing point. These are called construction lines, and you aren't going to keep them all. You're going to draw the back edge of the cube or the block, and it should be parallel to the front side, which is here. And then add in the other edge, which is going to be here. And that should be a vertical line as well. Darken those lines, and then you can erase the rest of them. And if the object's below the horizon line, it's going to look like we can see the top of the cube. Now we're going to draw a cube with the horizon line above the horizon line. So go ahead and draw a square or a rectangle somewhere above the horizon line. And then again, from every corner, draw lines to the vanishing point. These lines should be drawn in lightly. Then you're going to draw in the back edges. So this line should be parallel to that line. This line should be parallel to that line. Then darken in the remaining edges. We can see the base of this cube because it's above the horizon line. So it's above where our eyes are at. Now we're going to draw a block that is on the horizon line. So draw a square or rectangle sitting on the horizon line where it's above and below. And you're going to draw lines again from every corner. These lines, again, they're in gray because they're light. So you're going to add the back edges. This, of course, is going to be parallel to this, and those two are on those lines. You're going to darken those up. And that's pretty much that. Now you can go ahead and erase all of the gray lines, and you should be left with that only. Just the cubes.